my channel. This is D-Shell TV. I am D-Shell. If you did not already know that, well, now you know. If you read by the title below, this is my 2-month update. I'm actually recording this in the same day, and I'm gonna try to get it up in the same day. Pray for me. But before I start rambling, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing I plan on talking about, I'm gonna try to make this as short as possible, is changes. First of all, button. I've had some of that slightly, since I recently did a retwist and a lock style. They're a little flatter than usual, but this is one. Most of them have been coming from the back. As you can see, this is one. It's right here. This is one. Yeah, you get one. I have a few. In the front, they're more like smaller little bitty buds, but budding, yes, I've definitely had it. Frizziness, it's frizzy, but like there's a certain level of frizziness I feel like when you get into locks anyway, but in the beginning, it was horrible. And if y'all want a video where I go way more in detail about this, more like a Q&A or a specific type, let's talk about budding, let's talk about frizziness, let me know down in the comments below, because I just don't want this video to be too long. It's only a 2-month update. Anyway, marrying. Obviously I don't have marrying right now. Just did a retwist about 2 weeks ago. The only reason it still looks good, by the way, is because I did a lock style. Y'all do the lock styles. I promise you it will last so much longer. If you see my most recent video, my coming back to school video, you can see that I did do a 2-strand twist. Once again, if you want a video on that, drop it down below in the comments, because I'll probably be doing that style pretty often. It was very effective, and it's the only one I know how to do. Yeah, marrying. In the beginning, when I washed my hair, and just as the days went on, even when I was wetting my hair, trying to wet it every day, which I do, I wet my hair every day. It was a lot. And I also decided to do a protein treatment like a week after I locked my hair, and that was, whew, geez, that was horrible. You guys, if you want to lock your hair and you haven't done a protein treatment in a while, forget if your head hurts or hair hurts or anything like that. If you haven't done a protein treatment in a while, do it before you lock your hair. Trust me. Trust me. That's probably one of the main reasons why my twists stopped really looking like twists so fast, because of what the protein treatment did to my hair. Y'all know that AFOG protein treatment. I'll put a picture like here or something. It's cool. I probably should have listened to the bottle and went to a professional, but we're here now. It's fine. Moving on. Speaking of that, you know, my first wash, that kind of takes me into my first wash. It was horrible. It was horrible, to say the least. I actually did and have been doing since then the stocking cap, wig cap method. I've seen a lot of people say that you don't need to do that if you start with 2-strand twists because they don't unravel. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Why did you lie? Why did you lie? They unravel. Even when I was doing the stocking cap method, like, I definitely did have a lot of marrying at my roots, and I was just, oh my God. Like, that's when I learned the wrong way to pop my locks. Then I found the right way to do it, and it's so much easier now. Like, if y'all want a video on that, drop it down below, because I feel like nobody talks about that. Nobody. And it needs to be talked about, because popping your locks is something serious that if you don't do it the right way, it hurts, and you can mess up your hair. Who wants that? Nobody. So yeah, that's kind of been my little experience. I haven't been using conditioner since I've been talking about my washing experience. I haven't been using conditioner because I feel like that's gonna slow my locking process. And I really don't feel like I need it. Like if I feel like I needed it, I would of course use it. But my spray bottle really keeps me hydrated. I think at the 1 month mark when I did wash my hair, or the 1.5 month mark when I retwisted my hair, one of those, actually got a coconut from the grocery store and cracked it open eventually, took the juice, the coconut juice out of it, and used that as like a conditioner, and it worked. It was pretty nice. I kept it in, I sprayed it in my hair, kept it in for like 24 hours, washed it out the next day. Jesus Christ, hold on. Jesus Christ.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I used the coconut water and sprayed that in my hair 24 hours, da 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 da. It was very moisturizing. And I believe I did this after I had washed my hair. And then I kind of like separated after I put that in. It's kind of like detangling, I guess. Somewhat is the only detangling that you will have to use when you have locks. I mean, that's kind of what popping and separating your locks are when your locks do marry. If y'all don't know this terminology and you're trying to lock your hair too, please get on it, because you're gonna need it. Let's see, I covered conditioner, budding, frizziness, marrying, how I wash my hair, what I've been using. Oh, my spray bottle. So my spray bottle essentially just has, okay, wait. You know, I'm gonna say where I got this from. I wanna give her her credit, give her her flowers. What is her name? WestIndieRay. She's WestIndieRay on Instagram and YouTube, as far as I know. And thank you. Thank you. Her little Loc'd tonic, that's what I've been using. And I also add like a little bit of coconut juice because, yeah, it's pretty nice. Like, added a little bit just recently when I got the coconut, but it's been working very well. There's spring water, aloe vera juice, and rose water. That's the 3 things she puts in hers, and she calls it Loc'd tonic. At first I only started with like spring water because that's all I had. Then I went out and bought some rose water, which I will never do again. It's very expensive. No, I will make my own rose water because I recently just bought some dried roses from Etsy. Don't get it off of Amazon. I'm gonna let y'all know now. The reviews, horrible. Went to Etsy, so much better, and so many more people continuously buying. Etsy is the way. Forget Amazon, it's Etsy. Anyway, so I bought some of those, and I have a big jug of real aloe juice. I might put the picture right here. I actually did get that on Amazon. Also very expensive, but it's worth it. And my coconut juice that I recently added, which I feel like has been working wonders. My retwist, let me go ahead and talk about those for a slight second. My retwist, I only use water and my oil, whatever oil I really just have in hand. The first retwist I did use aloe vera juice. I feel like it was very unnecessary. It probably did have a thing where it took a little longer to dry. I don't know if y'all remember that video. But even when I came out of the dryer, some of the parts were like dry, whatever you want to call it. And I didn't like that. Versus with the oil and the water. Excuse me. I had an instance where I was packing up my stuff and my dryer was already packed up, like to come to school when I did my recent retwist. And so I had to let it air dry, and I felt like it took shorter to air dry, but I don't know. I don't know, y'all. Just know, I feel like just the quality, it just came out so much better, and I can appreciate that. So yes, I've talked about budding, frizziness, marrying, the washing with wig cap method, what's in my spray bottle. I believe that's about it. Lastly, I'm gonna like try to insert some pictures of what my first 2 months were looking like. I'm gonna try to find one of the first day that I actually 2-strand twisted my hair. I may have some, I may not, but more than likely I definitely do have some of the day after when I did my first retwist. I know I do because I remember taking those. I felt fine. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna try to insert some. They're probably all cute right here, just popping up. Now I'm gonna try to give y'all a slight lock close up to show y'all what they're looking like at this current stage, and then I'm probably gonna close out. I'm gonna take this down. Y'all see the thickness? They're getting a little thick. If anybody was interested, I think I have 101 locks, but I'm probably gonna have to go back and actually do a lock count video. If y'all are interested in that, drop it down below. If not, I'm probably still gonna do it. I wanna know too. And yeah, that's actually it. Like, y'all, I love the way they're looking. They're just so cute. Like, I'm not even, okay, so I know I started my locks on longer hair than most people. But look at it, bro. Like, I'm not even worried about length. Cause I love it here. Like, they could shrink up to probably like here, and I would still love it here. It's cute. Like, out of every stage I've tried with my hair, longer hair, when I actually got it to, I think, here. Shorter hair when I cut my hair off recently, a year ago now, 2 years ago, I don't know. Yeah, it's just, this is my favorite. This is definitely my favorite. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you made it to this part of the video, you're a real one, and we appreciate you here. Yeah. But like I said, that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone's being safe because we're still in a pandemic. I mean, if you think we're not, we are. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, because sharing is caring, and we care a lot over here. And stay blessed, unstressed. God bless. And I'm out.